Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put these earbuds into pairing mode. You'll know that these are in pairing modes when you open that lid up and it's blinking here, blue, red, green, okay? But mine's not blinking blue, red, green. It just has a solid green light and then it just turns off, but no problem. Just have the lid open, and then you have this little button here on the back. Press and hold that button and wait till it starts blinking those three colors. We'll do it together. Button here, ready, go. Press and hold. Just keep holding for like 5 seconds or so. Just wait until we get the 3 colors. Still holding there. Hey, it didn't work. Let me close it. And let me open it up again. All right, we'll try it again. Okay, button here, ready. I'll wait for the light to go off. Okay, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Now just keep holding. Wait. Okay, green, red, blue, just like that. Now let go. Leave the lid open, or you can put the earbuds in your ear. We're going to leave it just like this. Go to your Bluetooth settings on your computer. I'm going to go down, search down here, and I'll just do like search for Bluetooth, and I'll go to Bluetooth and other device settings right there. And now make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to tap that plus sign, add Bluetooth or other device. All right, so let's select that, and from here we're going to select the first one, Bluetooth. And now this line here is going across here. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range or so. It's still in the pairing mode. Now we just have to wait for it to pop up. Oh, there it is right there, audio buds. Let's tap on that right there. It says connecting, and voila. We are paired and connected, ready to go. And again, it'll pop up here how much battery juice my case is, as well as my buds. And you can also see it says connected right here, Galaxy Buds 4, it's connected, okay? And although the ones that I have paired it's paired, it's not connected, okay? The Galaxy Buds 4 is connected, it's paired and it's connected. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these buds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.